Welcome to the clash of the cookie titans, where we delve into the delicious details of two of the most iconic cookie brands in the world, Chips Ahoy and Oreos. Born in the United States, these two have been a staple in pantries across the globe for many decades, satisfying sweet cravings one bite at a time. Bounding into existence in the early 60s, Chips Ahoy hit the market with a promise of delivering a home-baked taste in a convenient, ready-to-eat package. These cookies, known for their golden brown color and scattered chocolate chips, have a unique, crunchy texture that crumbles delightfully in your mouth. On the other side of the cookie aisle, Oreos, with their inception dating back to the early 20th century, offer a different kind of indulgence. A pair of dark, chocolatey wafers sandwiching a sweet, creamy filling. A combination that has been a timeless hit. Now let's dive into the heart of our comparison, the taste, texture, and ingredients. In terms of taste, Chips Ahoy, with its sweet, buttery flavor profile and generous scattering of chocolate chips, offers a classic cookie experience. Oreos, however, present a contrast of flavors, the slightly bitter cocoa wafers balancing out the sweet vanilla cream filling. Moving on to texture, Chips Ahoy delivers a uniform crunch, while Oreos provide a unique, multi-textural bite. The crisp wafers contrast with the smooth cream, and when dunked in milk, Oreos soften to a cake-like consistency, a feature cherished by many. As for ingredients, both brands have their fair share of sugars and fats. They are cookies, after all. However, Chips Ahoy leans more towards the traditional cookie ingredients: wheat flour, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and sugar. Oreos, on the other hand, are accidentally vegan, using cocoa, unbleached enriched flour, and high fructose corn syrup, among others. So, which cookie takes the crown? It's a tough call, as the choice hinges on personal preference. If you're a fan of classic, crunchy cookies with a homely chocolate chip appeal, Chips Ahoy is your champion. But if you have a penchant for contrastive textures and a balance of flavors, then Oreos might just be your cookie king. In the end, whether it's a Chips Ahoy cookie crumbling delightfully in your mouth or an Oreo offering its unique cream-filled indulgence, remember, a cookie a day keeps the cravings at bay. Until next time, keep your cookie jars filled and your sweet tooth satisfied.